Erokamano nya Judith Omondi wadhi nyime kama chenro mar winjo bura mar thicho oko Gavana ma Kericho Eric Mutai odonjo odiochienge mogik kawuono. Senators kod okinde mag od bura ma Kericho kod Gavana Eric Mutai dhi nyime kod goyo kogno joneno motelo ne goyo ombulu mar thicho oko kata duoke e apisi Eric Mutai. Wadwani mondo be wawinjane kaka twak makamano dhi nyime.
Understand the 2 hours that the council talked about, then who was really addressed, the letter was addressed to who. Then secondly, this report that you've tabled, did it need any consensus for it to be valid? Number 3, do you think that this system for Kericho County is a valid system that can continue to be used? It's a system from your own expertise that you would recommend that they continue using. Lastly, is that the MCAs that was...
Senator Mundegi.
Asante Bwana Spika. Ningetaka mkurugenzi atuelezee kulingana MCA, kuna pahali wanasema walitumia dakika 5 wakaongezea dakika 2 ikakuja na singine ikakuja dakika 11. Sisi hapa Senate wakati speaker anataka tofauti anatuambia toa kandi na uingishe na uweke namba uweze kufuti. Na kama imemaliza dakika kidogo kama haujaweza kuweka la ama ndio unakuta inaenda inapotea. Hii gadget ya Kericho kwani iko namna gani? Kwani iko tofauti na gadget zile zingine kama hainjakuwa tembandi nayo?
Senator Kibwana Hamida.
I don't have glasses. I can't see. Let me wear my glasses. Let me get my glasses.
Are you reading somewhere?
No, I wanted to.
Don't speak. We need your mouth, not your eyes.
I was looking at the numbers. I was looking at the numbers in the report. Let me wear my glasses. Glasses zangu zimeenda.
Nake, I'm told everyone on my dashboard has already got an opportunity to speak. So we will allow the witness to respond. Witness, I've given you the go-ahead to respond.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I'll try and answer them in the order that they came through. I have quite a number of them. The first one was clarification if at all 33 MCAs did vote. And our response to that question, Your Honor, is yes, it's an affirmative.
Power his microphone and put it closer to his mouth, please.
The first question was if at all we can be able to clarify that at all the 33 MCAs were able to vote within the system. And of course, our response to that based on the finding is yes, 33 MCAs did vote. We've provided evidence for that as per the logs provided within the system. The other question was, and this question has been repeated severally, whether if you have the link and you have the password and you have the username, you can be able to vote. And we have confirmed, yes, you can be able to vote for one another. However, the link was being sent to an individual user MCA. Therefore, once you receive your link, you are able to vote if you only have your username and your password. The other question was, if the system is okay based on the question 5. If we go to question 5, we were asked, the question as was directed to us as ICT authority to respond was, is there any evidence of multiple or compromise of the voting system and or any impropriety in the voting system or process. And I will want us to underline the word evidence. Our field is based on evidence. I have to be able to provide evidence. And the evidence that I collected is based on the logs that the system has no evidence of multiple voting. It has no evidence of compromise or any other impropriety of the voting system. And that's what we responded to, based on evidence. The other question was, from the failed logins. I think there was a senator who asked about failed logins. From the logins, you can actually tell that the system is secure because if you do not have your username and password, it does not let you get through. You need to have your appropriate username.
Ramogi mano en report kanyo ma karatuak mawaluoni mano en od